first time I'm doing it. I mean, I've done live one, but this is in a different way.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, thank you very much. So go ahead. Now what do I have to do?
For starters, I'm going to take you through some of the questions that have been coming in. Where is the turban, sir?
Where is the turban at the moment? Because you see, I don't have my beard at the moment, and to wear a turban without a beard is wrong. So that's why I'm not wearing my beard at the moment. Sorry, I'm not wearing my turban at the moment.
What was your favorite moment from the sets of Sing Is Bling?
So the favorite thing in Sing Is Bling is especially the songs. You know, there's one song which I love. Actually, just released. Ke dil kare choo chan chan. So that step, अगर आप लोगों को बताऊं, वो जो step था, वो actually पिछले साल किसी गणपति के अंदर एक लड़का कर रहा था. तो जहाँ प्रभुदेव और एक और कोरियोग्राफर जो उनके साथ उनके मित्र उन्होंने देखा था तो तब सोच लिया था कि ये स्टेप को लेके आना.
It's a good time to actually tell everyone that they stand a chance to meet you if they beam live doing the Chucha step. So can you teach them how to do it so that they can do it right?
It's one of the most easiest step to do.
I have no idea, so you have to teach me.
So the leg has to go up. अभी मैं फिलहाल तो लेग नहीं दिखा सकता हूँ, लेकिन अगर कैमरा
मैं तो उठा लूँगी कैमरा को, no problem.
So basically it is just like के दिल करे चू चैं, ये मैं स्लो कर रहा हूँ. के दिल करे चू चैं, के दिल करे चू
Your energy is something else, isn't it?
And एक और जो गाना है टुंग टुंग, and that is also you guys have made it into a huge hit. You come to know when your music company comes and tells you, okay man, this song has done wonders, so that is the time when you come to know about the song.
Jazzy 007 is requesting you to give him a dialogue from the movie. Can you?
Dialogue from a movie. इसके अंदर मैं आप लोगों को बताऊं कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती और जो हीरोइन है उसको हिंदी नहीं आती और हम दोनों के बीच में प्यार होता है. यू कैन इमेजिन क्या हो सकता है कि when two people love each other and they cannot even talk to each other because of a language problem, and then comes Lara, who is a translator, who actually completely, and it just goes haywire. By the way, Aja Mahi also is a the Aja Mahi song. Let's sing it together. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Well, Aja Mahi, aa soniya ve aage aaj mere gale lag ja tu. जद करो रुस गयो तेरे नाल डोलना, भुख नहीं लगदी ना चंगा लगे बोलना, रोज उड़ी का तेनू रोज बनावा मैं, बन के दीवा तेरी तक दिया रावा मैं. ये पंजाबी में है, एक्चुअली फिल्म के अंदर हिंदी में है, लेकिन उसका मतलब अलग है. ये मैंने अपने पंजाबी वर्जन गाया हुआ. करीबन 8 साल पहले मैंने ये गाना आईफा में गाया था, आप लोगों ने शायद देखा ही होगा. सो तब से मेरे दिमाग में था कि दिस सॉन्ग आई हैव टू ब्रिंग इट.
So we've interviewed you many times in the past, and I can assure you, you've never sung that much of a song ever before. So you must really like the song, or you're having a great time on the app. One of the
No, my darling, I am enjoying myself. It's actually, you know, to come live, it's a huge adrenaline. It's running at the moment. इतना तो मैं morning when I was swimming, I didn't have so much energy as much as at the moment I am having it. So,
someone on the app just said that you've inspired him to wake up early in the morning. What time did you wake up today?
Today, I woke up at around 4:40.
What?
So 4:40. जैसे व्हाट तो इन लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं जैसे कोई कमाल की बात हुई है. सुबह आदमी उठता ही है और रात को आदमी जल्दी ही सोता है. जो पूरी रात जागता है वो उल्लू होता है. So what time did you get up?
In time to make it for this interview.
ये शेर का भी किसी ने पूछा था लायन के बारे में. सो आप लोगों को बताऊं कि ये जो लायन के साथ मैंने शूटिंग की थी ये एक्चुअली में असली है. इट्स नॉट अ फेक लायन और इट्स नॉट बीन ग्राफिकली क्रिएटेड. For that, I actually can also show you a small little video.
Wow!
So which not many people have seen it. So from there you can come to know that this lion is real. ये देखिए, ये lion है और वो मैं खड़ा हूँ. तो इसके अंदर कोई गलत नहीं है, सब असली में है. So और मैं आपको फोटो में भी बताता हूँ. Don't ever try this selfie ever. Ever. Don't ever try it. He was.
Is there a story behind that selfie? How do you get?
I don't know. He just. I think he fell in love with me.
Tell me a little bit about this scene, right? It's really stands out in the trailer.
ये scene के अंदर ऐसा है कि I'm playing a security guard of चिड़ियाघर in Punjab. तो मैं पूरे इनका सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हूँ जितने भी जानवर हैं और मेरी गलती की वजह से एक लायन ही escapes. This is the lion who escaped. And this lion, I have got scared and I ran away from there because he's escaped and I don't realize कि वो actually में मेरी गाड़ी के पीछे बैठा हुआ है. So he is sitting next to me and I don't know about it and I'm driving the car. And this scene also is a real scene in the film where he's sitting behind. It was a scene to remember all my life. कि कभी जिंदगी में नहीं भूल सकता हूँ कि that I got this opportunity in this film industry to sit with a lion and drive him around. And that is, but you guys don't attempt it because for a very simple reason, you'll get killed. Because I just got saved. मैं मरते मरते बच गया. Don't try to take a selfie with him.
You are not Akshay Kumar.
No. It's not that. I actually got saved. I'll tell you the incident कि मैं उधर बैठा हुआ था, वो पीछे बैठा हुआ था. And suddenly I don't know what happened to him. वो पागल हो गया. And he just went and he hit the windscreen of the car. And the windscreen just flew. मैं भाग गया. मैं मतलब डर के भाग गया. मेरे दिमाग में वो आया भी नहीं कि मैं एक्शन हीरो हूँ. तेल लेने का एक्शन हीरो. मैं निकल गया. मुझे नहीं करना एक्शन. मैं जानता भी नहीं. मैं भूल गया सारे एक्शन भूल गया मैं. मुझे मार देगा ये पागल हो गया. And then later on I realized that actually he had seen his own reflection in the windscreen. So he thought there was another lion, and so he hit the whole windscreen. Trust me, he did this. All he had to do was this. I was sitting this side and finished. मैं पिक्चर शुरू होने से पहले मेरी तस्वीर लगती है. This film is dedicated to me. And my look like this. With a mark like this of a lion on my face.
Sir, you look younger and younger by the day. What's your secret?
Chyawanprash. It's nothing actually, jokes aside, but the real thing about having a good healthy life is always think positive. कभी भी जिंदगी में ना कभी एक बात ठान लो कि किसी का ना बारे में बुरा बोलना नहीं है और किसी को बारे में बुरा करना है. ट्रस्ट मी, आपकी ये जो जितने भी आप कभी किसी के बारे में बुरा नहीं बोलोगे ना, your marks will be all added. It is just like maths. Marks will be added somewhere or the other, and God is looking at you, and everything, whatever you want, you will get it. But slowly. Don't. This is my experience of life. What I have understood. Never ever speak wrong about anyone. Even if that person has harmed you, don't speak. You will sleep better, and that's the secret of having a good life.
Are there those questions that you wish that nobody asks you and therefore they don't ask you thanks to...
I can see nobody's asked me how was it working with Prabhu Deva? How was it working? What is the film story? What is this? It is so boring. Whenever you look at the TV and say कोई ये question करता है, so how was it working with Amy Jackson? आज तक मैंने तो ये नहीं सुना कि कोई अपनी हीरोइन के बारे में बोल रहा है मुझे तो बड़ा बुरा लगा, बेकार है, मजा नहीं आया बिल्कुल भी, डायरेक्टर तो बेकार था, कुछ आता नहीं था. सबको पता, सबने अच्छा ही बोलना है, तो पूछते ही क्यों है, समझ में नहीं आता. खैर, आप लोग अभी तक ये नहीं किया सर जी कोई स्टंट करके दिखाओ ना. अरे जनाब कहाँ से करूँ यहाँ बैठ के स्टंट?
कर लेना सर.
मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया ना, एक स्टंट तो इसमें ही दिखा दिया था मैंने आपको कि मैं वो शेर के साथ एक स्टंट ही है, वो स्टंट से भी बुरा स्टंट था, कभी भी कुछ हो सकता था उसमें.
No, it's like a guy comes up to a girl from behind. What's the one thing that she should do to just immediately take care of
First
herself?
of all, run.
Just run.
The best thing is just run. And second of all, make the loudest noise. Scream for help. And third is be very like you have to be very observant of what is around you. Because you should use anything which is around you, whether it's a brick or stone or bottle or anything, whatever comes. Don't try and fight him. If anybody attacks you, don't try and fight him. I'm talking to a girl,
woman, yeah.
Alright, to a woman. So these are the things which you remember and scream the loudest. What happens with women is, when a man attacks a woman, the woman freezes. She just freezes. She actually can come out of that situation, but the only problem is she freezes, and that's the time when they take advantage, and that is the wrong thing with what they do. So don't freeze. Trust me, as much as you are scared, the guy is more scared than you.
Okay, so we're going to quickly wrap this up with a rapid fire.
Rapid fire.
I like the pun on that. So there's Hoshiar Raftar, there's Raftar Ka Pyar, and there is Raftar Ka Var. Let's start with Hoshiar Raftar. What's the most intelligent question you've been asked in your life?
The intelligent question is, how was it working with my director? It's very intelligent.
Murgi pehle ya anda?
Anda.
How many films has Akshay Kumar done till date?
131.
What is 36, 24, 36?
My biology teacher's number.
Okay, Raftar Ka Pyar. What is the one thing that impresses a girl first?
The man should have humor.
The first thing that attracts you to a girl?
What attracts me to a woman, she should be shy.
What made you fall in love with your wife, Twinkle?
She is not shy at all.
So you have to leave a message for John Abraham using the words beep, beep, beep.
John Abraham, तू बहुत ही बीप आदमी है यार, क्योंकि मैं अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. तू भाई कब मिलेगा मुझे, काफ़ी बीप के बारे में बात करनी थी. और जैसे ही तेरी फिल्म ख़त्म हो जाए, इस वक्त तू फोर्स 2 कर रहा है, तो जल्दी आ, तेरे से मैंने बात करनी है. और बेस्ट ऑफ बीप टू यू. सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का कि आप लोग धड़ाक करके सुबह 9:30 बजे सबके सब आ गए. कितने जन आए हैं, कितने मैसेजेस आए हैं, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. एंड जाइए आप लोग 2 अक्टूबर को फिल्म देखने के लिए. एंड आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉय, एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग ऑन दिस ऐप. Bye bye. See you.